So all you're going to need for this job is a pair of pliers, a 17mm deep socket, and a wrench, of course, and of course the PCV valve, right? So your PCV valve is located on the left side of your intake manifold. It's going to be this hose right here. First thing you're going to do is take off the little clamp. It's underneath this, but you just pinch it. If I can get underneath. Pinch it and bring it back. And you just pull it. Boom. Let's talk about this right here. This. Just move it. I want to move it back so I can. Just note it. Okay, so it's just stuck. Pull it up here, down. There's nuts on top. So that's the PCV valve right there. What you're gonna do is just get your 17mm and do it counterclockwise. Okay. And then once you break it loose, you just do it by hand. Interesting. And this is it. Yeah, this thing is clogged up. Hear the difference? So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Simple twist on. And then you just put it in. If you're going by torque spec, it's 33 foot-pounds. I'll actually bring out my torque wrench for this. All right, so I brought out my torque wrench, set it at 33. I have a small extension here just so I can get a little bit more room. So 33 foot-pounds. And that's it. So now we'll just slide this back on. And we'll slide this back on this little clip. And that's there. And there you have it, folks. We have officially replaced the PCV valve. Now, all we gotta do is turn it on and let it go. But this thing was bad.